How to use Prezi 2025 full Prezi tutorial. Let's walk through how to use Prezi in 2025 step by step. Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Prezi in 2025, and Prezi is used to create stunning non-linear presentations that stand out. So first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser or any browser you are using and go to prezi.com, and the official website will arrive. And after that, you need to click on get started, and you just have to sign up for the Prezi account, or if you have already the Prezi account, you can sign in. I will just go with sign up with Google, and I'll connect my Google account to this and click on continue. And it says create a new Prezi account. We will use your detail from Google to create a new account. Okay, I agree. Continue. And here, as you can see, we will just go with the continue with basic option. And when is your presentation due? Just checking things out, I'll select skip this part. And hi Ricky, welcome to Prezi. Before you dive in, help us better personalize your experience. What's your current role? My current role, I'll go with student. And after that, we can see how you like to start. We'll just skip this part, and it will take us to the Prezi dashboard, and we'll have to click on create from template or start from scratch. I will go with create from template, and it will begin a new presentation. And after clicking on create from template, it's asking me to choose a template. I'll just go with this one. Okay, use this template. Choose your privacy setting private. Okay, we'll just continue. This will now enter to the Prezi editor, and when it will be loaded fully, we can say that all the functions of this one. So let me give you that what will you be get to know from this tutorial. So you can build dynamic presentations, use topics and zoom features, add animations, media and branding, and share or present like a pro from watching this full tutorial. So just let's get onto understanding the Prezi interface. So on the left panel shows us the topic, subtopics as timeline, and the center canvas is where we can full presentations, layout, lives, as you can see. And the top bar gives access to templates, text, images, icon, animations, and zoom path. So unlike PowerPoint, Prezi is zoom based. Instead of slides, you zoom in and out of section for more dynamic flow. So start by selecting a template that fits your content, like business pitch, timeline, product demo, educational layouts. Each template has a structured layout, but everything is editable. Once selected, Prezi loads it into your canvas. So I have already selected this template like project roadmap XYZ connection app launch, and click on the main topic or title on the canvas. So the main topic is this one overview, and you can edit the text directly like clicking here, and you can just start like this, like school roadmap, and change the fonts colors from the top menu. You can change the colors and the fonts from here, like you can also add text. You can click on style and see the text style colors. If you select on text style, it will show you the fonts. You can just select any fonts from here. As you can see, it's already getting changed, and you can also just change the color of your text, like the background like this and this. Let's go with this, and you can resize or remove the topic bubble around the canvas, and you can also add a background image for branding. Like you can use a background, add a background image here, and you can even rotate elements for 3D effects. You can just rotate the elements for the 3D effects. And Prezi uses a zoom reveal structure with topics, subtopics. You can click plus topics to add new section. You can just click on plus topics, and you can add a new section, and you can also click on plus subtopic, and you can also add a subtopic to nest content within a topic. Each topic acts like a slide but zooms into its own in its own content area. Inside each topic you can add text, you can add image, and or empty your YouTube videos, create a bullet point on structured info. You can also use layouts to pick grids, columns, or image first designs. Prezi magic is in its motion. So you can change the order of topics by dragging their paths number, and add dramatic zoom in zoom out transitions like this, and use smart zoom to focus on specific elements like a number, chart, or logo. Avoid overusing motion, use it to emphasize important points, not distract. And to enhance your presentation, you can click on insert, and choose from image, icon, shapes, videos, charts, or PDFs. You can drag and drop files or search within Prezi free image or icon library. And here, as you can see, the library, use GIFs or YouTube video links for motion content. And Prezi also supports screen recording embeds. If you are using your on Prezi video, you can resize position elements with easy drag and handles, and go to the style panel to change the color theme, adjust font combinations, and pick from preset layouts or create your own look. And you can also add a background image or color gradient to personalize your canvas. This lets you keep branding consistent across presentations. And you can click on present on the top right to preview or go live. You can just click on presenter review. It will show you how it looks after editing. And here is the basic look. As you can see, This is how it will look after exporting. And you can navigate using arrow keys, mouse scroll or click on the overview. You can also use a remote presenter mode on Prezi app and to control from your phone. So practice your zoom flow so transitions feel natural, not rushed. And sharing and exporting, when done, you have to click on share, start presentation, present with watermark, present. Okay, now it's done. You can now just click on share option and you can just get link, export to PDF, invite collaborators via email, get shareable, view link only, set privacy public, unlisted or private. And you can also export as a PDF or portable Prezi to present offline. You can also present directly in Zoom, Google Meet or Teams using Prezi video, which places you present beside you in video calls. So let me give you some bonus tips. Want to record yourself inside the presentation? You can go to Prezi videos and choose your presentation. Your webcam appears and you can talk while slides animate beside you. Great for webinars, YouTube videos or online teaching. You can record, download or stream live all from within Prezi. So that's it for this video, guys. So I hope this video helped you, and that's how you use Prezi in 2025 full Prezi tutorial. And be sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next one.